Ever wondered how to easily figure out where someone or something stands in a list? Today, we'll unlock Microsoft Excel's powerful rank function to do just that. Imagine you have a list of scores, like these student test results. We want to know the rank of each student based on their score. First, we'll select the cell where we want the rank to appear for our first student. For instance, beside the first student's name and score, we'll prepare to enter our formula. We'll start by typing equals rank, and then an opening parenthesis. Next, we need to tell Excel which specific score we're interested in ranking, so we'll click on the cell containing the first student's score. This is our number. Now, we need to tell Excel the range of scores to compare against. We'll click and drag our mouse to select all the scores in the list, from the top score all the way down to the very last one. This is our reference array. Crucially, for this to work correctly when we copy the formula down, we need to lock this range of scores. We do this by pressing the F4 key on our keyboard, which adds $signs before the column letters and row numbers, making it an absolute reference. You'll see something like this appear in the formula. After our locked reference array, we'll type a comma to separate our arguments. Then, we'll decide if we want to rank from highest to lowest or lowest to highest for scores. Usually highest is best, so we'll typically enter a 0 for descending order, or simply leave it blank if we want the highest number to have the rank of 1. If we wanted the smallest number to be rank 1, we would enter a 1. Now, we close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the rank for that first student. To get the ranks for everyone else in the list, we simply click on the cell with the calculated rank. Find the small square at the bottom right corner, €, the fill handle €, and double-click it or drag it down. And there you have it. Excel has now calculated the relative position of each student's score. This simple rank function is incredibly useful for performance reviews, competition standings, or any situation where you need to understand how values compare within a dataset. Give it a try.